Welcome to XXLRC. Today, we're doing another video, the ARRMA Felony. So I did a video recently. It was just like a kind of an unboxing. We did a little street bash, a little bit of speed runs, and pretty impressed with it straight out of the box. But also in the box, you get this little package here. See that says high-speed gearing. So there's a 27t Pinion in there. I'm gonna throw that on today. See what we can get. They advertise 80 plus miles an hour. We'll see how close we get to that. So I'm gonna pop this thing down on the bench, tear it apart, put the new gearing in, and we'll take it out for a rip. All right, we got the Felony on the bench, ready to be torn apart. I don't think it's too bad. You need a few tools, but the nice thing with these ready to run cars, they come with all the tools that you'll need to work on it. Here's our pinion gear, and that's what we're going to be swapping out. So got to undo a couple of things, pull the motor out, switch out that pinion gear, mesh it up, and we'll be ready to go out and see what this thing can do. Got her all buttoned up. That wasn't too bad of a job. You know, they make it pretty easy to swap out gears on these things. The hardest part was the amount of Loctite that was on that one screw. I almost didn't get it out of there. The head felt like it was about to strip out, and then I would have had to drill the thing out. But we got it out with a little bit of heat and a little bit of ingenuity with the channel locks on the screwdriver. So got the gear in there, got it all meshed up. I got to charge batteries for this. I got some new batteries, so I got to charge those up, and then I've got my GPS charging, and we'll take her out and see what she can do. All right, got batteries all up. Got our SkyRC GNSS there. Got her connected to my phone. Gonna pop the battery on. Do a couple runs. Got a nice freshly paved road here. Woo. Well, okay, got a little excited there. She didn't like that. We'll ease into it a little bit more next time. Pretty good tumble, but it looks okay. Still running. Still got steering. Still got throttle. come back. Whew. I don't know if I can open this thing up. It is a beast. Whew. Almost hit my spotter down there. All right, one more good run down to the end. Ooh, that was a good run. I had it wide open for a second there. I'm gonna check the temperatures, make sure we're not running the motor too hot. And see what we got for speed. Body off. Let's check our motor temp. Ooh, 150, 140, 150. That's a little warm. ESC is about 130. Batteries are a little over 100, 110. Not too bad. It's like this battery popped up a little bit. I gotta adjust it. Have a look at our GPS. Now we're gonna stop. Read 81. Wow, okay, well, I guess they were right. They said 80 plus. There you have it, 81. Wow, that's officially the fastest RC car that I've ever driven. This thing is insane because it, you know, it's fast, and I did screw it up that first time there, but once you kind of ease into the throttle, it is very controllable, especially on this nice smooth road. But wow, 81, that's crazy. I'm gonna let it cool off here. We're gonna do a couple more runs after it cools down. Well, what'd you think?
Huh? That was pretty good.
I don't know if you guys could see it in the video, but this is my dad. He's spotting for me today, and he's standing down there with his legs spread apart. He wanted me to run it through, but I can't see it when it's a quarter mile down the road.
About took my left leg off.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's running a little hot, so we're just letting it cool off, and then we're gonna do a couple more runs. Well, got a couple more runs in there, and I think it went into thermal shutdown and quit going. I was doing donuts and stuff out there, so I got it sitting in the truck in the air conditioning because the motor was about 190, which is a little, that's getting to scary temperatures there, you know. 200 and that thing's about cooked. I don't think, most people say don't go above 180, but oh well, we were having fun. I think it's still gonna be all right. I'm gonna let it chill in the truck for a few minutes and pull it back out, make sure everything's good. All right, guys, I think that's enough fun for today. Man, that thing is so much fun. Like I said, that is the fastest car, RC car I've driven. You know, it's funny, we're right by the highway here, and my dad pointed out the fact that the cars on the highway are going slower than when I was running this thing up and down the street. It's crazy. And once it gets down there, there's a little dip in the road and there's kind of a mirage, and you kind of lose track of it. So definitely a good idea to have a spotter when you're doing stuff like this. And this is just a dead-end road. There's one business back here that's closed today, so it's pretty much a closed road. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.